Hello friends. Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to explore some of the best butterscotch cake design ideas that look absolutely beautiful and delicious. If you would like the recipe for butterscotch sauce or the crunchy butterscotch nut topping, just comment recipe below. I'll share it with you. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more cake design ideas and baking content. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home.